In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu without using the app, so you can stream your favorite shows on different devices with ease. Let's get started. If you don't want to use the Hulu app, the best alternative is to access Hulu through a web browser. On your computer, tablet, or smartphone, open any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and go to hulu.com. Sign into your account, and you'll have full access to Hulu's streaming library directly from the website. For a bigger screen experience, connect your laptop to a TV using an HDMI cable, or cast your browser tab to a smart TV if it supports screen mirroring. Many smart TVs and streaming devices also come with built-in web browsers, allowing you to log in and stream Hulu without downloading the app. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!